The iPhone 3GS is 15 years old, has 6 GB of storage and a 3 megapixel camera. I spent tens of thousands of dollars on expensive camera equipment, but my challenge for today is to make this thing cinematic. And trust me when I say this was a challenge. I even strapped this thing to a drone to get some drone footage with the iPhone. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but we're sure as hell gonna find out. So let's go. This is crazy, look at this. Oh. I tried to insert the SIM card of my iPhone 15 Pro Max, but this phone is just so old, nothing works anymore. I can't even go on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, which you can. But something that it still can do is take photos and videos. So this is what the footage looks like straight out of the camera. Compared to my Sony a7 III, for example, I don't know. But it does have a pretty cool vintage look to it, actually. And I think this is the only way on how I can make this footage cinematic, if I embrace this look instead of working against it. So the biggest issue is if I just walk normally like this, I'm even trying to hold this camera still, but the footage is just so shaky. But I brought just the right thing to fix this. A gimbal that I have usually reserved for more expensive cameras, modified with a phone clamp, could just be our key to success. Yeah. Shift the center of gravity. Ooh. Mission success. How stable is that, huh? But I'm not even in the zone. No! This is how it's gonna work, hopefully. Held together with tape, because that's obviously the most secure way. I have a bad feeling about this. Let's see if I can get this contraption to fly. I mean, the center of gravity isn't too bad. Let's not forget to press record. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, I wouldn't call it a success. I would call it a failure either though. Oh, it's probably too low. So my guess is that center of gravity is now too low, but we can maybe fix it by just removing this long piece here. It would be insane if this works. All right, attempt number 2. It works. My iPhone is hanging off of a drone. I can't believe this is working, dude. Wasn't that absolutely crazy? The cool thing with using, let's say, bad gear is that you have to be more creative than usual. Like, you have to force creativity because the shots just don't look that good otherwise. It is fun to use, and actually it's a pretty cool addition if you mix it up with some footage of my other cameras. It's actually a nice little vintage effect without being an effect because it's from phone. So, I don't know, it looks okay, but it's just, does it go under cinematic? That's for you to decide. I tried my best. I don't know if it was enough, but I am done. Ugh. This channel is continuing to grow, so I love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.